Boom! What's up, everybody? My name is Kim, and today we're going to be taking it a step further in our Composite Photography 101. And this is going to be about what you need to think about when you're masking out or moving subjects and backgrounds around and changing them out. So we're going to keep using this image as we started with last time. And to me, this image looks like it's either composited or the person have cut this or masked this woman out and then just put a Gaussian blur on the background here to make her stand out. Because the edges on the coat here is way too sharp, and the same on her face and around here compared to the blur on the background. So if I turn off this depth of field blur, pay attention down here on her jacket. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You can see that her jacket this is how it looks real. So you can just see there's just way too sharp for it to be an image that's been taken like this straight out of the camera. I'm going to turn that back on again. So that is something you need to be aware of when you're cutting out and feathering and that stuff. Because if you were to move this person, just change the background here. And you can see this is the sharpness of the jacket, and the face here kind of matches more. You can't say that the image match because there's different color temperatures, which we will be talking about later. But the sharpness of the jacket compared to the background matches more closely than this one right here. So if I go in here, I'm not going to do a masking tutorial, but I'm just going to illustrate what I'm talking about. So I'm going to mask this person here really quickly. Just do a rough mask. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're not masking out. At least I'm not for the sake of this tutorial. So you go up to refine here, and now you can see you have border width, and I recommend you keep it between 0 and 10. So default is 10, and that's a pretty good starting point, but I like when I'm doing humans or subjects that are live, depending on the light source, of course, you want to feather it a little bit. That just helps you blend it a lot better. So I'm gonna hit Command Control D there to deselect again and get out, because like I said, this here is a good image. It's a great image, but it just doesn't look real to me. It looks like it's been made. And if I go here, let's see, where are you? There to this one up to here. Turn them on. You can see now I color matched it. I put on some more. I put on a depth of field blur. So depth of field, and so you can see the jacket and the background here. It kind of gradually becomes blurry, and it becomes more and more in the background. And if you look at the mountain in the back here, we can see if I turn it off, you can see they're a lot more clear. And then turn it on, you can see her face and ear is still in focus, but it gradually becomes more and more blurry out in the distance behind her. So that's something you need to think about and to make them look realistic. So I hope you learned something from this tutorial, or this little my thought process on how to make realistic composites. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time.